This video shows you how to request your benefits in Connect. Once you apply for reemployment assistance benefits, you must log into your Connect account every 2 weeks to request benefits by claiming your weeks, even if you haven't started receiving benefits yet. You may hear this process referred to as requesting benefit payments or claiming your weeks. They both mean the same thing. To request your benefits, first log into your Connect account. Once you are logged in, select Click here to request benefit payment and answer the questions. If you answer no when asked, "Did you look for work?" you will be asked additional questions. For instance, you may have attended an appointment at a Career Source Service Center instead. If you answer yes to the question, "Did you look for work?" you must read and agree to the statement on your screen. The Department of Economic Opportunity requires that you report 5 work search contacts per week unless you are in a county with a population of less than 75,000. In that case, you are required to report 3 work search contacts per week. After you submit your request for 1 week, if you want to request benefits for an additional week, click Request Benefit Payment again. If you need more help, we encourage you to reach out to your local public library. Public libraries can help with many things, including letting you use a computer, printer, copier, scanner, or fax machine. Some libraries also have staff available who may be able to help guide you through the application process. Find your local library at myfloridalibrary.com. You can also contact the Florida Department of Economic Opportunity for assistance. We hope that you found this information useful. Visit our YouTube channel for more videos on applying for reemployment assistance benefits in Florida.